All right, the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna set the date. Okay, I'm gonna set the date. Let me just pick something here. And then you set the time too. I'm gonna press on done. Okay. Next up, you go to tools, go to partition SD card, press on OK, and then we have 4 options here. I'm using a 64 GB card here. I'm gonna use 10 GB for my emuMMC. If you're gonna be installing Linux or Android for this card, you can just toggle this thing up, but I'm just gonna install an emuMMC for this. I'm gonna go on next step, and then it's gonna ask you to partition the card. I'm gonna press on start. Wait for it, and then I'm gonna press the power to continue on the process. And then let's just wait for it to finish. Okay, once it's done, press on OK. Close this. After that, go to the home page. On the home page, we're going to create an emuMMC. Press on it. And then press on Create emuMMC on the SD partition. I'm going to choose on part 1, the first part. And again, wait for it to finish. Okay guys, it is already done. Close this. Close. And then you can now go to launch. You're going to see here 3 options. You have the sysMMC, emuMMC, and also the stock. For the stock, that will be the original version, the non-jailbroken version. If you want to play games using the jailbroken version or the modified version, you choose on the middle one, which is the emuMMC. Okay guys, so that is how you jailbreak or modify Nintendo Switch. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a good one.